I'm Jasmine. I'm officially ReMar nurse. So, I took the NCLEX. I previously took it 3 times. My 4th attempt was on July 10th, and I passed. And I'm so grateful to God, to Professor Regina, her family, her team. So grateful. I actually recorded a previous video to this, but it was 7 minutes. But I'm grateful to them and the team and everything that they did. I previously used everything, y'all. When I tell y'all everything, I mean everything. I used Kaplan, I used Saunders, I used Archer, I used UWorld, I used Board Vitals, I used Mark Clemec. I used everything, like everything. Simple nursing, everything. And I was a little hesitant before using ReMar Nurse, I'm gonna be honest, because there are so many programs out there that are like, oh, we can teach you everything, we can do this and that. And I was worried because I'm like, God, I don't have money because I wasn't working. I'm not working. I haven't been working since I graduated in December. And I'm just like, God, I took it 3 times. What else can really be different? And Nurse Regina did it. She did it. God is so good. My mother said something when I was a week in of studying, because I did her program in a week and a half. And she was like, well, this is her ministry. This is Professor Regina's ministry, and this is how she's giving back because God has blessed her. And I'm so grateful for God have to impose this on your life, for him to be able to make a way for you to have this, because I'm grateful. And what is post happening now? I'm just trying to get a job, y'all. I'm trying to make that money. Like Nurse Regina said we're gonna be making that money. Professor said we're gonna make that money, y'all. So I'm trying to get to that point. But I really wanna excel in just what God has blessed me with us at this point. I'm just grateful to her. I'm grateful to everything that she has done for me. And just y'all get V2. Get Quick Facts, because Quick Facts is the truth, y'all. Quick Facts is the truth. Don't let nobody tell you it's not. Quick Facts is the truth. Quick Facts blessed me. Where there were days I was like, oh, can I read content? Nah, but Quick Facts was short and to the point. It was all a blessing. I'm just so grateful to her. Like literally the day before I took my exam, I was stirring and I was crying, and I'm like, God, I can't. I don't know what to do. I want to study. I want to do this CAT exam. The professor's like, no, Jasmine, no. Relax your mind. Listen to God's promises. So I did that. I went on YouTube. I did that, and God just blessed me, y'all. And I'm so grateful to her and everything she's doing. So get V2, y'all. Don't miss out. Don't miss out, because you will pass your NCLEX with her, and she will bless y'all. Okay? Because that's her ministry. But thank you guys for listening to my testimony. I hope you guys are blessed. Take care.